morning, everybody. Are you ready for the craft time? So for today, we are making a solar system out of these popsicle sticks and also cotton balls, the colorful ones or the white ones if you don't have these ones. And you can also use Play-Doh balls. Okay, another option could be Play-Doh if you don't have cotton, or if you have the white cotton balls, you can actually paint them with paint or with chalk and you can imitate the same color. So also you need a hot glue gun or silicone, just a liquid one, but always with the supervision of an adult. And we need a marker because we need to be writing on these popsicle sticks. So yesterday during the Tuesday class, I sent to you a lovely template with the solar system. So you had Mr. Sun in yellow, but Mr. Sun is not a planet, it's a star. So Mr. Sun is the one from what all the planets orbit. Okay, and we also showed you that the planets have names and numbers from their distance to the sun. So let's see which one is the first number from the sun, the first planet. So let's see. If you look at your template, you will see planet Mercury as number 1. So we get the popsicle stick, we write number 1 and we write their name Mercury. Okay, and in this side, in the other side of the popsicle stick, we are actually going to paste, what do you think? We are actually pasting a cotton ball or a Play-Doh. So in my case, I have a Play-Doh that I want to use to represent planet Mercury. So I will put a dot of hot silicone glue and I will count up to 3. 1, 2, 3. If it's silicone glue, from the glue gun. If it's not, if it's the liquid one, you will have to count for 10 seconds, okay? And be careful. Make sure you line it up. You put it in a safe place because we are going to be making all the planets from 1 to 8 because we said they are 8 planets. So that was number 1 from the sun, Mercury. Number 2. Number 2, we have Venus. So if you look at your template, you will see number 2, Venus. So we write it and we do the same. We put a dot of glue in the other edge of the popsicle stick and I want to represent my planet with a pink cotton ball. Okay, so number 2, Venus, and I line it up. So we have 1 Mercury, number 2 Venus, and number 3, what? Our planet Earth. Number 3 is planet Earth. So we do the same thing. We put a number 3 and obviously with the help of mommy or daddy. And in this side of the popsicle stick, in the other side of the popsicle stick, we repeat the same thing. We put a dot of hot glue or silicone glue. How do we represent the Earth? We have it right here. So the Earth, it's blue and green. That's how it's represented in the planets, in the solar system. So Miss Joy has a green cotton ball with some blue glitter, okay? So that would be number 3. I line it up and that's 1, 2, 3. And we need to look at our template again and we will find Mars, the red planet. So here we go again. Which number is this? Number 4. It's the 4th planet away from the sun. Mars. Okay, before some scientists used to say that in Mars there used to be life, but not anymore. It's known as the red planet. So if you have anything looking red, any red Play-Doh, you can use it. Mine is hot pink, okay? Because Venus, if you look at it, not Venus, Mars is red. But I don't have the color red, but I will represent it with what I have that looks like closest to red and is hot pink, okay? We do what we can. That was number 4. And number 4, after number 4, we have number 5. Number 5 is Jupiter. Jupiter has lines and is looking orange and pink and red. So Miss Joy will get the popsicle stick and I will write number 5 and then Jupiter. Jupiter. Okay. And repeat the same action. Glue and a cotton ball, orange with some red. Look, Jupiter. We line it up. What? It's coming? Saturn. Saturn has a ring around it and it's looking brown and orange with lines and a ring. So let's see. I want to put the same thing. Saturn, number 6. And I got some slimy slime to represent what it looks like, the ring around Saturn. Okay? Look. It's looking yucky. But that is my planet, Saturn. And I will also write on the popsicle stick its name, okay? So we can remember. We line it up along with the rest of the popsicle sticks and we keep going. Number 7. What is number 7? Uranus. Number 7, Uranus. I hope you're looking at your template because if you are, you will have the same thing I have right now, okay? You will have this lovely template to follow the instructions. Uranus, number 7. So what does it look like? It's looking blue, like this. So we put the dot of glue and ta-da! We have number 7, Uranus. All right, what else are we missing? Da-da-da-da. The last planet, Neptune. Neptune is dark blue and purple. So I want to represent it with this one with some glitter on it, okay? But I also need to write number 8 on my popsicle stick and the number Neptune. So we can remember after. Da-da-da. So we put the glue. And this is our last planet. And we count 1, 2, and 3. And I hope you guys are also doing the same as I am, because now we are ready to do the coolest part of all. We said that the planets orbit around the sun, okay? So this is our sun. So what do we do now? We start pasting the planets from the last one to the closest to the sun. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you what I'm doing now. So I get number 8, Neptune, the last one. and I paste. On top of that one, I paste Uranus number 7. Okay? And I hold it a tiny bit. If you have a hot glue gun, this is actually easy. If you don't, if you have just silicone glue, you might have to hold it for longer. So after, on top of Uranus, we have to paste number 6, Saturn. The number 6 planet away from the sun. Saturn. And after, we have number 5, Jupiter. Jupiter. You see how Miss Joy is holding it? This is just to make sure it sticks well. And then Mars, number 4. We're getting closer to the sun. Number 4, Mars. And number 3, our planet, Earth. We paste number 3. And number 2, Venus. So make sure you paste your planets all in different directions, okay? And the first planet from the sun is Mercury. Ta-da-da! Right there. And what are we missing? We are missing the most important of all, the star called Sun, Mr. Sun, for the middle. And we press all together. Da-da-da-da. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you have silicone glue, you might have to wait a little bit longer. But we are ready and we have our solar system. Look! Da-da-da-da! And you are ready to show everybody all the things we learned today. The solar system! How cool is this? So just remember, the middle one, it's called Mr. Sun.